Yo, what is going on YouTube? It is me, TG, back with another video. And guys, we're doing a little face reveal for this one. You guys have been showing tremendous support, and I figured, why not? Why not you guys get to see who I am? I'm making all these videos, I'm talking over it. Why not put a face to the voice? So I figured, why not? So let's just get right into this video. So as you guys can see, this week was not the best week, but it wasn't a bad week at all. We still made profits, and the end of the market actually finished off, not too bad. So the plays that we made this week were we sold puts on American Airlines, which we are getting assigned on because we sold 12 and 12 and a half puts. So we are going to be getting assigned on our 12 and a half puts, because as you guys can see here, it finished off at 12.46. So we're going to have to buy 700 shares of American Airlines at that price. Not bad, I don't mind. And these 200 shares are going to be fine because obviously it's under 12. So I ended up making money on that because we got about 30 something cents per. And it's obviously only down 7 cents from where it was. So not bad, not complaining at all. Moving on to the next one that we did a bunch of Wells Fargo. This is the one we didn't do so well on. We sold a bunch of 23 and a half puts on it, and as you guys can see, it is clearly well under 23 and a half. So we will be buying 1,000 shares of Wells Fargo at 23 and a half. Now, obviously, not ideal, as if you look at the 1 week chart for Wells Fargo, it's obviously down a decent amount. We went ahead and sold these puts, after this correction here, thinking that, the worst has already came, so we're fine. But obviously, it continued to go down and down and down. But you know what? We're going to hold on to this bank, and we'll sell covered calls and make our money back that way because it's a great way to just make some extra money when the stock's down and it has an up day. We go ahead and sell covered calls. We make some premium because of it. So that's one of the things we do. Another play that we did is Workhorse. Workhorse actually turned out to be really, really good play for us this week. So if we look at it, we sold a bunch of 22 puts, a bunch of 22 and a half puts, and then we sold some 23 and a half puts. We actually locked in profit on two of these 23 and a half puts. So we're only going to have to be buying 100 shares of Workhorse at 23 and a half. And I'm not worried about that at all. Workhorse has a lot in store for it, and I feel like we're going to be fine for that. So we made about $500 from Workhorse this week, so surprisingly really well. These are expiring worth these two, and then also these two as well. So, and then like I said, we locked in two on that. So 6 of the 7 contracts that we sold on Workhorse, we won big on. And even this one that we sold for 23 and a half, we got $1.22 for it, and it's only down 45 from it. So we're up like 80 cents per. So we made like 80 bucks on that one as well. So I'm not worried about that. Who knows? Monday Workhorse could jump right up. I'll either get out or I'll sell a covered call on it and try to collect some premium for it. So it's another play we did. CVM surprisingly did really well this week for us. We will be losing 100 shares because we did sell a covered call for 15, and obviously it absolutely flew this week. So we will be losing 100 shares, but we still have 325 shares, and we're up about 24% on that. So not bad. And at the end of the day, Amazon, the reason my account looks like this is because Amazon at the very end of the day had some crazy, crazy price action. Someone actually sold a share at 31.60 for Amazon. If you look at Amazon right now, it it literally hit 31.60. Someone sold 188,000 shares, and it just immediately crashed. Obviously, shares are gobbled back up again very quickly. And the reason you see some of these giant crashes is because a lot of people have these things called stop losses. And basically, a stop loss is you can put in a set price, and if the stock goes under or hits that set price, you will sell shares at that price. So a ton of these people on a big, giant company like Amazon are going to go ahead and put stop losses in case, maybe earnings are bad and it drops and I want to still get out with a profit. Those stop losses get triggered and it's like a snowball effect. And so shares just got gobbled up, went all the way down to 3160, which is crazy because I actually bought some Amazon shares today, unfortunately. Not at a good price. We bought one at 3295. We bought zero point 0.1 at 3296, and then we bought 0.44 at 3268. So oh well, not the best, but I'm pretty confident in Amazon's earnings coming up, which is next week, I believe, the 29th. It's 2 weeks from today, my bad, 2 weeks. So it'll be interesting to see what happens with that. I think they're going to do well, though. I mean, we haven't had many retail stores, like brick and mortar stores, in person during these times. A lot of people have been choosing to go to Amazon, rather than risk getting corona by going to a store. And I think when people started doing that, they realized how easy it is to buy from Amazon. And it's once they have you as a customer, it's like Apple. It's like once you switch to the iPhone, the majority of people are not going to switch to like a Samsung or an Android after that. So, Amazon kind of reels you in there with like Prime Day, perfect example as well. You get to see how convenient. Wow, getting packages in 2 days. It's super convenient, super easy. And you can go ahead and get, quality products in 2 days with free shipping. And, people like that. Life's about convenience nowadays, and Amazon does perfect at captivating that audience. And that's why they're Amazon, and they're worth over $1 trillion, almost $2 trillion at this point. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens to earnings. I'm holding all my 7.6 shares through earnings, and we'll see what happens. But overall, like I said, it was a pretty good week, guys. We ended up making money, not as much as we were at one point, obviously, but we ended up making money. And so we're going to have 700 shares of American Airlines. We're going to have 1,000 shares of Wells Fargo, and we're going to have 100 shares of Workhorse. So that's really about it. We still made money this week and made $805 for the week. Not bad, and I expect next week to be a lot better. If you guys look at the month chart, we're basically at $10,000 in profit made in the past month, so that's awesome. We're going to keep this up and keep the party up, keep the party going, because our strategy is working out great. And for you guys in the Discord, I hope you guys are listening to some of these plays that I'm making, because I really think about these plays. I don't just go ahead and just put my money into something. I really think about it. So that's another thing I do. And my goal is to help you guys become financially successful, because that's what I'm trying to do. I work hard, and I want my money to work for me, and investing is a perfect way to do that. So it's just the way it is, guys. This is the market, and we're all a part of it, and it's a good way to find a strategy that works for you and something that you can profit from. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed having a face reveal. Didn't know how I feel about it, but you know what? A couple people asked for it and they wanted to see it, so why not? I do this stuff for you guys. I don't just make videos for myself to watch. I do it for you guys to watch. And we're growing at a pretty fast rate. We're already at like 650 subscribers, which is awesome. In about a month since I've made this account, I'm hoping to get up to 1,000 pretty soon, and I'm hoping to reach more of you guys and help you guys out. I get a lot of DMs and messages from some of you guys, asking about advice and thanking me about different things, and I love that. I love getting involved with my subscribers and helping them out, because it's hard, and I've made a lot of mistakes investing, as you guys can see if you look at my all-time chart. This is not healthy. Up big, down big, up big, down big. I don't like that. So and right here, after I hit this bottom, I was like, you know what, I got to play it safe. And we've been just playing it safe ever since. Slow and steady gains, and it's working out. So I also want to thank one of my subscribers, Thomas, who gave me this format for the thumbnails. I really appreciate that, Thomas. Keep grinding, keep making that money on Neo. I love seeing you guys make gains. And like I said, if you guys want, join the Discord, link in the description below. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. I hope you guys are enjoying this. I hope you're having a good time. I hope you have an amazing weekend coming up. And I'll see you guys in the next video. If you like the video, you like the face reveal and all that, like and subscribe. Let me know what plays you guys made this week and how your week was and what you're looking forward to do next week. So, guys, have a wonderful weekend. I will talk to you in the next one. Take it easy. Bye.